Hello guys, I'm Cherian. Okay, today let us continue the application of differentiation, maxima and minima. Today we are going to do some problems from geometry. There's some questions geometry also for maxima, minima. Let us do that. Yeah, the first problem is find the area of the largest rectangle. Find the area of the largest rectangle that can be inscribed. It can be inscribed in a semicircle of radius r. In a semicircle of radius r. Okay, semicircle is half circle. Okay, radius r. R means radius from here to here is r. From here to here is r. Okay, radius r. What is the largest area in the rectangle? That is the question. Okay, let L be the length and B be the breadth or width of the rectangle. See, suppose this is B and this one is L. Okay, width is B and length is L. So there is a theorem, that is the center, the perpendicular from the center to a chord bisects the chord. In a circle, this is the chord. Okay, perpendicular from the center. Draw a perpendicular from the center. This is 90. Then it will bisect. The total length of the chord is 40. Then it bisects means this part is 20 and this part is 20. That is the theorem. Okay, we need to apply that theorem here. So I'm going to draw a perpendicular from, this is the center, this is the chord. Draw a perpendicular. It bisects the chord L by 2. This one is L by 2. This one is L by 2. Total length is L. This one is L by 2. Okay. This is R. If this is radius, this one is also radius, right? So this part from here to here is L by 2. Because this is L by 2, L by 2. Okay. So we can start from area. Area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Okay, LB. Okay, so here there are three variables: area, length and breadth. Okay, so we need to substitute for L or B. Okay, A is equal to B into, I'm going to substitute for L. We can find out, there is a Pythagoras theorem, that is base square plus height square is equal to hypotenuse square. So that is the relation between B, L and R. So we need to find out L square is equal to, R square is equal to B square plus L by 2 the whole square. Okay. From here we need to find L. R square is equal to B square plus L square by 4. Okay. We need to eliminate this 4. Multiplying throughout by 4. 4R square. When you multiply 4 here, 4R square. 4B square. When you multiply here, 4 cancel. Okay, equals 4B square is plus L square. Okay. From here, L square is equal to, L square equals 4R square minus 4B square. 4R square minus 4B square. Okay. Then L is equal to what? L is equal to square root of 4R square minus 4B square. You can take out 4 as a common factor. When it comes outside the square root, it becomes 2. 2 into square root of R square minus B square. That is L. Okay, just substitute b into L into b, I am right b first, b into square root of b into 2 square root of r square minus b square. And a is equal to 2b square root of r square minus b square. Okay. So first derivative dA by dB. R is a constant. R is not a variable. Okay. R is a constant. That is the radius. It is given. It is like 2, 4, 5. It's a constant number. Okay. You don't need to worry about this. Okay. dA by dr. Sorry, not dr. R is a constant. dB equals 2b into square root of r square minus b square is what? Square root of, what is the square root of x? Square root of x is, that is a formula, 1 by 2 root x. Okay. By chain rule, then after that you need to differentiate x, that is 1. Here 1 by 2 root x. Okay. So here square root of r square minus derivative square root of r square minus b square 1 by 2 into square root of r square minus b square into, by chain rule, derivative of r square minus b square, derivative of r square minus derivative of r square is 0 because r is a constant, minus b square is minus 2b. Okay. 2 into 2b is a constant into derivative of this, that is 1 by, see, you can cancel it. So dA by dB equals minus 2b square by square root of r square minus b square. Okay. Sorry. Here b is not a constant. Here there are two functions. One is 2b and the other one is r square minus b square. There are two functions. What is the derivative of uv? Here r is the constant. B and b are variable. Okay. There are two functions here. What is the derivative of uv? U into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u, right? So here there are two functions. dA by dB equals, first function is 2b. 2b is not a constant. Okay. Derivative of r square minus b square is first function into derivative of second, that is 1 by 2 root r square minus b square into derivative of r square is 0 minus derivative of minus b square is minus 2b, then plus square root of r square minus b square into derivative of 2b is 2. So there are two functions here. You need to apply the product rule. Okay. 2 cancel. So minus 2b square by square root of r square minus b square plus 2 into square root of r square minus b square. Okay. Then take r square minus b square as a common factor. Square root of r square minus b square as a common factor. You get minus 2b square, multiply root of r square minus b square times 2, okay, plus square root get cancelled, okay, plus 2 into r square minus b square. Okay, I am going to write here minus 2b square plus 2r square, 2 times minus b square minus 2b square divided by square root of r square minus b square. This is what? This is dA by dB. Okay. At the turning point, dA by dB equals 0. That is the, if you want to find the turning point, you need to find dA by dB first. Then at the turning point, dA by dB is equal to 0. We did so many questions like this. No, everything is the same steps. Okay, equal to 0. That is, when you cross multiply, this one becomes 0 into this equals 0. Only that in numerator. Minus 2b square minus 2b minus 4b square plus 2r square equals 0. Plus 2b square on both, plus 4b square on both sides. 4b square on both sides. This one cancel. 2r square equals 4b square. So you need to find 4b square equals 2r square. Okay, what is b square? B square is equal to 2r square by 4. So by 2. B is equal to what? B is equal to r by square root 2. This is B. So the turning point equals B r by root 2. And you need to find, see, y is a here. So you need to find the y coordinate, that is a. What is a? A is 2b. This is a, I am going to erase this one. Okay. A is equal to 2b into square root of r square minus b square. Okay, 2b. What is b? B is r by root 2. R by root 2 into square root of r square minus b square. B square is what? B square is r square by 2. Square of root 2 is 2. Square of r is r square by 2. I am going to write r square by 2. Okay. So 2r by root 2 into r square minus r square by 2 is r square by 2. Okay. That is 2r square by 2. 2r square minus r square is r square by 2. Okay. So what is the square root of r square? R. So 2 numerator 2r square. R into r square by root 2 into root 2 2. That is r square. So area is r square. Okay. We need to show that r square is the area, maximum area of the rectangle. That is what we need to show. This is the maximum point. That is what we need to show. How can you show that? If this is the maximum area, then d square y by dx square, d square a by db square at this point should be a negative number. Okay. So for that we need dA by dB. dA by dB. See, this is dA. We need to simplify this and differentiate one more time. Okay. I am going to erase all the other. See, dA by dB equals minus 2b square minus 2b square minus 4b square. 2r square minus 4b square divided by square root of r square minus b square. Okay. That is dA by dB. d square a by dB square. Now what is our aim? Our aim is to show that second derivative should be a negative number. We don't need to solve everything. Just we want to show it's a positive number. Okay. Sorry, negative number. So square root of r square minus b square into 2, derivative of 2r square is 0 because r is a constant, minus 4b square, minus derivative of minus 4b square is minus 8b, 4 into 2, 8 into b. Okay, minus numerator derivative, this is the formula, derivative of u by v is equal to v into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v by v square. That is the formula. Okay. Here v is square root of u is this one. Okay. So v into, see, v into derivative of u, derivative of numerator, minus u into numerator into, that is 2r square minus 4b square into derivative of this, that is 1 by root of, right? So 1 by r square minus b square into derivative of r square is 0 minus b square, derivative of minus b square is minus 2b, all divided by square of this, that is r square minus b square. Okay. So here d square a by db square equals minus 8b into square root of, I write minus 8b first, r square minus b square, then minus into minus plus 2b into 2r square minus 4b square by square root of r square minus b square. Okay. See, r square minus b square is a positive number because r is greater than b. R is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is always greater than the other two sides. See, so r is greater, always greater. So this one is a positive number. Okay. Yeah. See, this one is a positive number. This is also a positive number. Okay. R square minus B square. I am going to erase this one. It's a long step. Okay. This one is easy. Okay. Minus 8b. See, when you take LCM, you get R square minus B square into R. This one, the square root cancel, right? Minus 8b into R square minus B square plus 2b into 2r square minus 4b square divided by, see, this one and this one, you need to multiply these two. So that is R square minus B square the whole raised to 3 by 2, because this one is R square minus B square the whole raised to 1 by 2. Okay, this one the whole raised to 1. 1 by 2, you need to add the index power. Plus 1 is 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Okay. So, see, this one is positive. We don't know this one is positive or negative. We need to show that this one is also positive. Okay. Minus 8b into R square minus B square plus 2b into, this one is positive. Okay. Plus 2b into 2r square minus 4 into b is what? B is r by root 2. B square is r square by 2. R square by 2. So this one is 2. Okay, 2r square minus 2r square 0. This one cancel. So here r square minus b square, r square minus b square, the whole raised to 3 by 2. See, this one is positive, this one is positive. See, minus 8 into, so the whole thing is negative. So that is what we need to find out. Okay, just negative or positive. So d square over by d square is d square a by db square is a negative number. So this is the maximum point. So r square is the maximum area. They don't find, find the area. Find the maximum area, that is r square. Maximum area. So you can write maximum area is equal to r square. Okay, you got it? Do 3 or 4 times, take a paper and pencil and write 4-5 times. Okay guys, thank you.